I really hate when I like somebody and I realize that my feelings for them are way too strong, so I have to pull back. I feel like when you like somebody or when you fall in love with somebody, you should never have to pull back until they give you a reason to. And for me, being the Pisces that I am, I don't need too many reasons. I love hard and I ain't gonna never change, and I can't control it. So it's like, if I'm gonna love hard, I'm gonna love fully. And if you can't handle that, then you need to go on about your business and find somebody who can half-ass love you, but I can't do it. So the minute I feel like you trying to half-ass me, don't even worry about it. I feel like I done dealt with so many half-ass lovers, I don't even want to deal with nobody at this point. And I realize the person that love the hardest, the person that give the most love out, is always the one that get the short end of the stick. So I have to stop pouring in other people's cup because they always leave mine empty. And I know my person, they're going to give me the love that I deserve, ain't going to never let my cup go empty, let alone let anybody else take away from it.